How's everybody this hot Alabama afternoon? I just got a guitar and it's really special. It came all the way from the UK. It's, yes, England. And the customer lives in New York. His name is John Gigante. He is an actor and he's my favorite movie star now. And so we're going to open this guitar up to make sure that it made it all the way across the big pond till it got here. The thing about this guitar, it's not released in the United States yet. John's the only one that's had one here as far as I know. And so hang on and we're going to open this box up and let you take a look at it. Here's the box, all the way from England. Look at all this packing crap. So here we go. I tell you what I noticed about this baby is this box doesn't say this end up, so we're just going to guess and we'll see what happens here, okay? We have a 50-50 chance of opening the right end. I'm so scared. It's the old box within a box trick. Open this end. Anticipation. Oh, okay, I'll go ahead. Who did that song? Was that Helen Reddy? Yes, I believe so. Anticipation. Okay. Ooh la la. Again, this guitar has not been released in the US and will not be the way I understand it. John was telling me till, I believe he said October. So, hey, it's nice to know people in high places. He checked with some places and made friends with them, and I think it is their only natural version. Oh, baby. Woo! Look at that. Oh, man, alive. That is beautiful. Good job, John. That is gorgeous. I'm going to bring it up here so you can see it in the camera, okay? Okay. Here is the front. This is a Gretsch Jim Dandy. And you probably guessed it. Guess what we're going to do to this guitar? Yes, we are going to hot rod this beautiful guitar. It will have the tailpiece, the electronics. It's going to have vintage Clouson tuners on it. This thing is absolutely drop dead beautiful. Again, this is for a new friend of mine that lives in New York who wanted me to hot rod the guitar. And this is the special color he wanted. It will be released here in the United States, as I understand it, in October. Something that's, I don't think the other ones have. Check this out. It's got a white binding on the outside of the neck. And the neck is all natural too. Boy, the rosewood on the fingerboard is phenomenal. So this is going to Mr. John Gigante, my favorite actor now, in New York. And we will get started on this probably tomorrow, maybe later this evening, because today is Miss Robin's birthday. So you all have a wonderful day, and we will see you later.